In this video I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot using iPhone camera app, and that's quite simple and easy to do, and that's nice camera mode. So let's begin. And all you have to do to use burst shot mode is you have to tap on that camera button and swipe to the left. See what happened, tap and swipe, and that's comes up some kind of counter, and that's the counter of photos that are now taken from that device. And now I've taken about 130 photos. I can click there. Now I see the burst here, 131 photos. And there now I can select best photo of them. Able to do that, I just need to hit on select, and now I can swipe to the left or to the right to select the best photo. And if I find the best photo, I just need to hit on that circle to check mark that photo and then hit done. And now I need to select keep everything or keep only one favorite. Favorite means the photo that I just selected. I'll select that option, and basically that's how burst shot mode works. I have just made more than 100 photos and selected one which is the best. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.